Namaste to all JVNs. Myself JVN Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? So cytoplasm is a fluid material which is present inside the cell, prokaryotic cell as well as eukaryotic cells, and in eukaryotic cells animal and plant cells also have cytoplasm, and just composition can be differ in plant cell and animal cell in case of organelles, because organelles are different in plant cell in and animal cell. So cytoplasm, what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a gel like fluid, and basically it is present in between plasma membrane and nucleus, and cytoplasm is a semi-fluid substance of a cell that is present within the cellular membrane and surrounds the nuclear membrane. It is sometimes described as a non-nuclear content of protoplasm. All the cellular contents, all the cellular contents such as organelles are present in cytoplasm. Within the cytoplasm, and in eukaryotic organisms the nucleus of the cell is separated from the cytoplasm, but in case of prokaryotic cell, genetic material or Golgi body, mitochondria, lysosome, ribosomes, microfilaments, microtubules, vesicles. So cytoplasm is basically made up of 70 to 90% water, and it is colorless usually. Most of the cellular activities occurs in the cytoplasm. There are three main components of cytoplasm. First is inclusion. So cytoplasmic inclusions are small particles seen temporarily in the cytoplasm. They may or may not be membrane bound, and are metabolically inactive. And for this example is lipid droplet, glycogens, granules, and pigment. And second is organelles, which are small organs within the cell which are involved in the metabolism. For example, mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum. These are specialized cell structures with the characteristic shape present in the cytoplasm. Third one is cytosol. It is the fluid portion, and it is about 55% of the total cell volume. It is various for composition in different cells. It is 70 to 90% of water plus various dissolved suspended ions and molecules. It contains different type of ions, molecules such as glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, and ATP. And now come to the cytoplasm function. So functions of the cytoplasm are so many, like cytoplasm is the site of many biological reactions that are vital and crucial for the maintaining of the life. The cytoplasm is the place where the cell expands and growth of the cell takes place, and the cytoplasm provide a medium for organelles to remain suspended. The cytoskeleton of the cytoplasm provides shape to the cell, and it also facilitates the movement. It also aids in the movement of the different cellular elements. The enzymes in the cytoplasm metabolites the macromolecules into small parts so that it can be easily available for the other cellular organelles such as mitochondria. The cytoplasm is a mean of transport for genetic material. It is also transport the product of cellular respiration. The cytoplasm acts as a buffer and protects the genetic material of the cell and also the cellular organelles from damage caused due to movement and collision with other cells. The cytoplasmic organelles are a specialized structure that has its own functions like cellular respiration, protein synthesis, etc. The cytoplasmic inclusions are non-soluble molecules. They are also seen floating in the cytoplasm. They act as a stored fat and sugar that are ready for cellular respiration. The cytoplasm and proteins prevent the grouping of organelles in place due to gravity that would impede their function. Now we will discuss about the difference in between plant cytoplasm, plant cell cytoplasm and animal cell cytoplasm. First of all, we will discuss about the plant cell cytoplasm. Plant cell cytoplasm is similar to the animal cytoplasm, and cytoplasm provide the mechanical support to the internal structures. It is the medium for suspension for integral organelle of the cell. Cytoplasm maintain the shape and consistency of the cell. It also stores many chemicals that are vital for the life. Important metabolic reactions like glycolysis, synthesis of proteins take place in the cytoplasm. In plants, the movement of the cytoplasm around the vacuoles, this is known as the cytoplasmic streaming. Along with that, plant cell also have the chloroplast, and chloroplast is the region where where photosynthesis process occurs, and plant cells are capable to produce their own food with the help of photosynthesis process. So that is the basic difference in between plant cell cytoplasm and animal cell cytoplasm, because in plant cell cytoplasm chloroplast is present, but in animal cell it is absent. Now, animal cell cytoplasm. So, cytoplasm of the animal cell is a gel-like material made up of water. It fills the cell and contains protein and important molecules that are necessary for the cell. The cytoplasm is made up of protein, carbohydrates, salts, sugar, amino acids, and nucleotides. Cytoplasm hold the cellular organelle. Cytoskeleton present in the cytoplasm help in the movement of the cell through cytoplasmic streaming. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. And this session, hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.